Yeah! Footneck! Yeah, my boy! Footneck! Footneck, what happened to you, man?
Yo, me that prepare up myself, dog.
What kind of prepare up yourself? We're gonna be friggin' Chiney, man.
So what I say? Man, I feel fresh like sugar and water. Without the sugar, see and we. Awa.
Yo, nobody keep up with no foolishness this time, you know, Footneck.
Man. You ever do me as nobody will keep up my foolishness?
Yo, just ready up, man.
Ready up.
What that for? That by your face, Footneck.
Nothing on my face.
The dirty underpants you wear as a mask,
So what
Footneck.
with my mask?
I wear the 2020 Footneck. Me no don't tell you already, so we are going now. You pretend like so we have COVID, man, so we don't need no mask.
Oh! So we are cough, on that.
Footneck, stop coughing on my face, now, dog. But yeah, man, I see him, so we are gonna deal with it.
We are cough, on that.
Yeah, man.
So we are gonna give them corona.
No, man. We just are gonna pretend like so we are give them COVID, cause we don't really have COVID.
Oh!
Alright, you understand now?
Ready?
Alright, we could do this.
Wait there. Hello?
Good afternoon. Is this Mr. Footneck?
Yeah, man, I Footneck this.
Okay, I'm calling from the Ministry of Health to tell you that your results tested positive for the novel COVID-19 virus and you are to remain in self-isolation for the next 14 days.
Epicflows, yeah.
Shout out production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash, big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.